Let's take a closer look at this Omron blood pressure cuff that was recently purchased for my husband, who does have some blood pressure issues. So this monitor measures your systolic, which is your upper number, your diastolic, which is your lower number, and your pulse. Now this dial right here is the date and the time. And then this monitor can measure two people's blood pressures, and then you can store them. And you can store up to 80 different blood pressure readings by pressing this arrow here to store it. And then these two arrows, you can go back and forth to look at the different readings. And here is your start and your stop button. Now, this monitor is run through batteries, but you can also buy an AC adapter, which is sold separately. And we have bought the AC adapter that goes on right here. And then the batteries are installed right here in the back. Now let's demonstrate how this blood pressure cuff works. Okay, I've put the blood pressure cuff on my arm and I've plugged it into the AC adapter. Now this blood pressure cuff can measure arms ranging from 9 inches to 17 inches. Now let's test this by pressing the start button. Now try and be quiet because the blood pressure will raise as you're talking. So we'll just breathe in and breathe out. Be patient. See what the blood pressure reading is. You really need to be quiet while you are taking your blood pressure. And my blood pressure is 123/82, and that's a normal reading for me. And as you can see, this blood pressure monitor is very portable, and you can take it with you if you have to go on trips, and I highly recommend it.